Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to share a brand new project with you. This project I'm calling Monographs. All right, monographs are single subject or expert writings on single subjects. All right, so in this case, for scrapbooking or memory keeping, it's going to be single subject memories. All right, it's typically an expert writing about one particular subject. All right, and in this case, we're going to apply that to memory keeping. So I made this train case, this vintage style train case, to keep all of our monographs in. All right, I want to tell you that this is going to be like a 3-4 part video, because as I continue adding to this, I will be sharing with you, because there's such a wonderful surprise about this particular train case that once I finish it, because I want to fill it before I share it with you all, I'm going to share that. Okay, so look out for videos 2 and perhaps 3 on this train case and monographs. So it opens up like so. It's really beautiful. Handle, guys, handle, handle, handle. I show you how to make it. You do not have to purchase the handle. All right. Corners are easy to find. You don't have to do corners. Brads, I know you all can find brads. Closure. You need a 2-part closure. All right, I sell these in my shop if you're interested. I also sell the corners in my shop, paperphenomenon.com, if you're interested. All right, but you can get any 2-sided closure. All right, so it's a closure and a latch. Or you can do whatever closure you want. You can do ribbon ties. Really, you can do whatever you want. But again, if you want to get my hardware, it's in my shop. So here is what Monographs is all about. And again, this is not full yet. So I have lots and lots of room here. But look at how super fabulous this looks. You have this box on the inside. You're going to be able to size it or make the compartments for whatever you want to put in here. All right, but I give you these super cute monograph style booklets. All right, so again, single subject. So we're kind of applying the monograph premise to, or I'm applying it to crafting and scrapbooking, or to scrapbooking, which is what we all love to do. So with this train case, look at how beautiful it's decorated on the inside. It's really, really gorgeous. I use a lot of different papers and embellishments for this, guys. So you'll see everything in the supply list for this tutorial. This is a Kit Club project, so all of these supplies my Kit Club members received or are receiving, depending on when this video goes up. But I give you a supply list and you can still make these projects. You just have to use your own supplies. All right, I give you a supply list of what I used. Okay, I don't count papers. All right, guys, but I tell you that I used this, this, and that, and I always use paper collection. So that means the whole collection. All right, so here's a train case. It's really beautiful. All right, and again, remember what I'm telling you here. You're going to be able to size this. You're going to be able to do it up for whatever size you want. And along with this monographs series, you're going to get a resizing sheet as well. All right, that's the bonus in this kit club. So you'll see. You'll see, and everything works back together. So I'm excited for you guys to see the other videos. So I give you 5 styles of booklets or places so you can store your monographs, your stories, your single subject stories in this case, and they're super fabulous and really, really cute. Another bonus is pictures come in all sorts of sizes, right? 4x6, 5x7s, 8x10s, 3x4s, yada, 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 yada. You're also going to get cutting guides for all dimensions of these particular booklets or monographs. Once you fill it, it becomes the monograph, okay? So you're going to get all the sizes. So these, the first round is for 4x6s and below. Okay, so let me show you what these look like. So here, look at this. This is a bit of a file folder version, if you will, and I decorated just really beautiful. It's gorgeous, okay? But look at what I've did. Here is telling the story, and I have to hold it up because I get lots of glare. But here is telling the story. This is a one specific birthday party of a girlfriend that we went to. So I put all of that in here. I don't take 5,000 pictures of one event. And if I do take lots of pictures, I pick and choose the ones I love. All right. Because it's not what I do. But if you want to take 500 pictures, knock yourself out because you can add 500 pictures in this train case. All right. And again, video 2 and 3 are going to demonstrate that. So here are my pictures. Right, this is family and friends. I went ahead, I put it in here. I did some embellishing. I did some pocket cards. And look at how super cute is the packaging in this particular project and telling the story. I really think you guys are going to love this concept. This, I think of those who don't make every single paper phenomenon project, but you're looking for that perfect paper phenomenon project that's going to give you everything. And this does it for you. You can also put mini albums in here. And I'll tell you what sizes of my mini album specifically fit in here. And again, that's all in videos 2 and 3. But I want to have it all set up to share with you guys. There is a pocket here for pictures. All right, lots and lots of goodies here. I love this picture of my sister and my brother-in-law. And this is my sister Tasha, by the way, and her Frankie and Tasha. And this is my hubby. I'm sure you guys are fully aware. My family they're my muse, so I love doing my pictures up with them. And here is, see, I love this because you can cut your photos down, make them fun, make them interesting, and look at how wonderful this page looks. And then over here, some more fun pictures of now who was having a good time here, right? Some more pictures and just a fun way to showcase your pictures, to tell your story. Again, monographs are expert writings on a single subject. I am the expert on my events, on my memories, and I'm writing them. In this case, it's pictorial, all right, because I'm not a big journaling person. But for those of you who like to journal, you can absolutely tell the story in writing. But I am more of a picture person, so I like to tell my story with pictures, embellishments, and little fun things, all right? So it's not textbook or dictionary monograph. It's a spin. It's a paper phenomenon spin on the monographs. All right. So I give you three options here to three options that are more related to the monograph, okay, where you can tell the story, write, and all that good stuff. And I'll share this one with you, and I'll share this one with you. So there's 5 styles. Forgive me that I don't remember what order the styles are in, but it's all in the tutorial. This one is so fabulous as well. I did this style of closure. I combined the elastic and the button closure. Of course, you can use magnets if you want, but this is different. This is fun and new and different, okay? And I hope you love it. So that opens up like so. This has an expandable file, expandable pocket. And then look at this, absolutely beautiful. So here is, we had an event, thank you to Miss Annette. She put together an event called PETA Fest. PETAs are paper phenomenon crafters, paper phenomenon followers, and we all, here are the PETAs. Not all of them, not everyone could make it, but we had such a wonderful time. So here is my monograph, in air quotes, right, on PETA Fest. So obviously I don't have all the pictures here. I'm going to have separate monographs because we had events. So I'm going to have one in each. All right. And look at this. How fun. There is the signage. There I am. And I was so happy to just hang out with everyone. There's hubby. There I am. And here's Jennifer. So I really like to decorate on pictures and just tell the story that way. Okay. So look at how fun. So that goes in there. Then you have this closes up just to keep everything tidy, right? And then you have some flips. You got some pockets. You got some flaps. You know the deal. There I am again. Of course, they put me on the spot with a crown. And it was so much fun. There was so much love in the room that it was overwhelming. It was truly, truly overwhelming. This is my sister-in-law, and this is a new friend, Lorianne. And hubby again, gambling. And look at my baby nephew that I met for the first time there. This is Jaden. And it was just so much fun, guys. So much fun. So what a fun way to tell the story, right? So I hope you love monographs. And by the way, there's going to be all sorts of different renditions and different add-ons to this particular concept. And again, please let me know what you think about it. Hopefully you're all over it and you're loving it. I always try to bring you some new and different ways to memory keep. And look at this one, how fun. I remember this one because it's the first one I did. This was the wallet style. So one is a wallet style, one is like a file folder style, the other one's like an envelope style, yada, 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 yada. All right, so look at this. I really didn't load this one up because I ran out of pictures. I need to print more pictures. But here are a few more Pita Fest pictures. This was the dinner. All right, so again, I just slapped a few pictures in here so you can check it out with photos, but you can fit so much more. In one of the one of the ones I showed you previously, there are 25 pictures in one little monograph. Okay, 25, which is wonderful. So here you've got a stack pocket, and then just did it up with this gorgeous paper. I did my signature cut into this paper just to still enjoy the pretty paper and have an insertion point. These are large pockets that you can add more goodies to the back here. Here is where you would tell your story, and I don't want to lose the beautiful paper, so paper clipping would be ideal here for just attaching your journaling. And I have all sorts of little journaling booklets, and all of that is in the tutorial, guys. I just haven't gotten to it. It's hot off the presses here, and I'm sharing it with you all right now. And then pockets and all sorts of things. You know the deal. And look at that. How beautiful. Slant pocket for some more pictures. These are my sisters and myself in the middle. Mwah, I love them so much. There are some Pita Festers all hanging out, chatting, just getting some fun action shots. And it's beautiful. So those are the three where you can absolutely tell your story and kind of lay it out, right? These two I did, this one's empty, but these two I did for just storing. If you have, you can absolutely throw journaling in here, but I wanted you to have a place where you can just store some photos where you didn't want to have to think about it. All right. What a great way to send like a Christmas card or gift card and whatever you want in here. In this case, I'm all about memory keeping, so here is what I do with it with photos. All right. So you open that up, and I show you how to do this closure, of course, in the tutorial and in the videos. That opens up like this. It's my version of a deconstructed envelope, perfect, almost square. And look at this. So I did our Elvis pictures in here, which was fun. We had Elvis perform for us, which was an absolute blast. And here is another group shot. There's Annette right over there, and I am right down here. And just everyone here is just so wonderful. Again, the room was full of love, and you could feel it. And it was just fantastic. And there's pictures forwards and back, on the back and the front. And I also did some zip lining above Vegas. This was on Fremont Street in Old Vegas. And there I am, and there's my honey. This was crazy. Look it, you can see here how high we are. This was super crazy, but again, once in a lifetime thing. And of course, there's my true colors there screaming. But it was just so wonderful. It was so much fun. And here I was putting on a brave face because I was scared the whole time. I had plenty of time to change my mind, but I wanted to do it. So I did it. I put my big girl panties on and I did it. And here's Elvis, my sister totally flirting with Elvis and trying to sneak a kiss in. And there she is having fun with Elvis. So much fun. And this was a family shot. Two of my sisters came down to visit, and there we all are. And it was just wonderful. And of course, their spouses. We can't forget them. I love them all. So that's it. That's all well, no, I got one more for you. So how fun to display your pictures like this. I mean, just a really fun way to show off your pictures, unique and different and interactive and not too much fuss. Okay, you can clearly see what you have in here, how you have to open it, all of that good stuff. All right, so just a great way to display your pictures. This one's empty, but it's another catch-all type of container, if you will. All right, so this one is a double accordion. Okay, we have a front pocket and a back pocket. So you can fit double the amount here. And here I have, I don't know, maybe 12 photos front and back. So here would be 24. So I kind of did this all so you can fit 20 to 25 pictures in each. So you do the math, all right? And look at how empty this is. Okay, this is so empty just with these alone. But of course, you make 2 and 3 of the same monograph, if you will. All right, again, it becomes a monograph when you actually tell the story. So you can make 2 or 3 of these each to fit in here. All right, and it's just fabulous. So this is Monographs. Again, I'm going to link you down below to your purchase options, and I know you're going to love it. And what was so fun about this is that it was so quick and easy to put together that I had a blast. I had so much fun doing this. And then, okay, it's all about the packaging, right? So then I did it up. I made this fabulous train case. Look at the back. How beautiful. Here is the front. Just really, really beautiful. So I hope you all enjoy. And you could, this, again, I'll link you down below so you take the guesswork out of what your purchase options are. But this was so much fun to make. And remember, there's going to be a video 2 and perhaps 3 on this. Give me a week or so to get that done. But I'm going to come back and share the surprise. All right. This is not it. There's more. There's more, people. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. And until next time.